Today, I'll walk you through how to send Power by Table data as a CSV file to email, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to export your data and share it effortlessly so you can streamline your reporting process. Let's get started. First, open Power BI on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the table data that you want to send via email. Think of this step like selecting the ingredients for a recipe. You want to ensure you have everything you need before moving forward. Now locate the ellipsis or the three dots in the corner of the table. This icon is like a hidden treasure chest containing options that will help you with your task. Click on those three dots and take a moment to appreciate the options that appear. After clicking the three dots, you will see an option to export. Click on that. This is your gateway to downloading the file. From here, you can choose to download the file as a CSV. This format is widely used and easily shared, making it perfect for emailing. Once the CSV file is downloaded, you can attach it to the email that you will send. Just like putting the finishing touches on a gift, this step ensures that your recipient receives the data they need in a convenient format. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send Power by Table data as a CSV file to email. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps until you feel confident. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.